up, guys? It's your girl milabtumbles, and welcome back to another video. So today we are talking all things bridge. I'm going to give you some beginner drills for your child to, of course, accomplish a bridge. So without further ado, let's go get into it. Tabletops will give your athlete the opportunity to build muscle and gain strength. Make sure that your fingertips are facing your toes when doing the tabletop. I love tabletop holds for 5 to 10 seconds. I love tabletop ups, which is where the athlete is dropping their hips and pushing them back up. When you're doing these drills, make sure that the athlete's bottom is squeezing and the hips are pushing high to the sky. I also like when the athlete does tabletop walks back and forth. And not only that, I also like tabletop rocks, where they are rocking back and forth. Keep in mind, each time the athlete is doing these drills, that their bottom is squeezing and their hips are being pushed to the sky. You do not want the booty poking out or the hips dropping. And then, eventually, you're ready to push up to your bridge. So I definitely recommend practicing these drills. Please practice all drills with adult supervision. If you are a child watching this video, if you're an adult watching this video, please watch your child. You do not want any athlete practicing any type of drills by themselves, because we don't want any injuries and we do not want anybody to get hurt. So yes, if you guys also want more beginner drills, hit subscribe to my channel. I'm giving you drills for every skill out there. And also purchase my beginner at-home drills ebook on my Etsy shop or my website. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.